Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted a simple way to share detailed account activity with your clients inside Zoho Books, then this video is for you. Today, I'm walking you through the full 2025 guide on how to create a customer statement in Zoho Books. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate, customize, and share these statements in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into Zoho Books. If you don't already have an account, you'll need one to continue. Once signed in, head over to the Customers tab from your left-hand navigation panel. This is where all your client records are managed. Select the customer you want to create a statement for. On the Customer's Details page, you'll see an option called Statement of Accounts. Click on it. Now here's where it gets really useful. Zoho Books lets you define the statement period. You can choose a predefined range like last 30 days, this month, or this financial year. Or if you need something more specific, you can select custom dates. This flexibility is perfect for businesses that need to send monthly, quarterly, or yearly updates to their customers. Once the period is set, Zoho Books instantly generates the statement. You'll see a clean summary of all invoices, payments, outstanding balances, and credits tied to that customer. This makes it super easy for your client to understand exactly where their account stands. But we're not done yet. You can also export or share the statement. With just a click, you can download it as a PDF or send it directly via email. If you've already integrated Zoho Sign with Zoho Books, you can even add a digital signature before sharing, which ensures authenticity and professionalism. And that's it. You've just created and shared a customer statement in Zoho Books. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.